Hey everyone, I wanted to do an unboxing and a quick review of the AKG N200 headphones. This is a wireless set of headphones and sells for about $149. AKG is definitely a top brand and partnered with Samsung. So this promises to be a really nice set of headphones. And the design of the earpiece definitely reminds me of the ones that come with the Samsung devices of late, the flagships. So let's take a look around the box first. Has a design award there. AKG by Harmon right there. Bluetooth, obviously, because it's wireless. And let's walk around the box here. Here it shows you a little phone answer thing. 3-button universal remote right there. Here's the back. You can see what the earbuds look like right there. And then all of just the general information. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and pause the video where you need in order to read what you're looking for. In the description, I'll put a link as to where to buy this if you're interested in buying it. And here's the bottom over here. So we'll go ahead and get this thing open. All right, as we open up the box here, we see that there's a padded container right here, and then you basically slide this out here, open it. It's kind of cool, kind of like your Samsung phones here with a little flap. Pop this open. Over here you have your different size earpieces, and you have a cleaning tool here. A little brush on one side and a little loop, almost like a paper clip, on the other side. So there's your 3 different sizes of earbuds. Now over here you see that it comes with a nice carrying case. This is hard material, so that's pretty nice. We'll go ahead and open this up. And in here you have your instruction manual. And then over here you have your little charging cable right here to charge the guy. And it is a micro USB, which is odd. You would think that it would be a USB-C nowadays, but it's a micro USB, so we'll put that aside. Here is your control panel right here, your left and right, and then your middle button right there. That's your 3 controls. And then we'll just pop this out here, and the entire thing wraps around this piece of foam right here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Now it has a decent length to it. The nice thing too is you can actually shorten and lengthen the wire as far as how far it goes around your neck with this little guy here. So it'll allow you to adjust the size, and the controls are toward the one side, toward the right ear. Towards the left ear. And then here's the right ear over here. And so give you an idea of the length of it. That'll give you a sense there. So we're going to go ahead and pair this right now with a phone right here. I got an LG phone. I'll go ahead and pair this, show how easy it is to do. So to power this guy up, you're going to press this middle button here. You're going to turn it over so you can see the little light. There's the light. When I see it flashing, I know it's in pairing mode. So I'm going to go over to my phone here. Turn this on. Go into my Bluetooth settings, my Bluetooth on, and allow it to search. So there's the AKG wireless headphones right there, and pairing is complete. Okay, after testing these out, I can tell you the sound is phenomenal. I was able to plug this into my Samsung Note 8, and the sound quality, the bass is fantastic. I've had other wireless headsets before. I had the Samsung Level U's. These are amazing. It blocks out any sound in the room, so it's very hard to hear around you. So that can be good if that's what you're looking for, or listening to music. It definitely has a good outside sound isolation. The bass response is fantastic. The sound, you definitely don't need the volume all the way up. I've tried that, and it's almost ridiculous. But just the clarity, the level of bass. This is a really nice headset for sure. The button in the middle will allow you to operate your, if you have Google, it'll allow you to operate your Google Assistant. and the volume up and down is actually on the outside part here and here. So you can adjust them accordingly, and that will adjust the sound through your device. And like I said, you can adjust the length of this by pulling this little guy in or out. But as you can see, when I'm turning my head, it definitely holds in perfectly fine, which is good as well. So overall, I can see why this is definitely a premium set of wireless headset here. And the sound quality is just amazing. So I definitely recommend it. Would love to hear what your thoughts are. Do you have this? Would you be considering getting these headphones? What ones do you have? What do you recommend for others? So thank you so much for watching this. Give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you want to see other videos. And thanks so much for watching.